Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So guys, I know you guys probably have heard of the box braid method with the black rubber bands, and I know the black rubber bands can kind of like break out your hair a lot, let's just be honest, but I done did it several times too. So I try out two different alternatives so it can have less tension on the scalp and also less breakage. So you guys, if you want to know what I did, go ahead and continue watching.
On these hoes, buy another bag soon as I get paid. That little vibe, keep up on my side. Case a dirty bitch, gotta catch this fade. Do it all the time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. I'm still
and I found this at my local beauty supply store, which was the bomb. I ain't gonna lie, I love this hair. I probably would always get this hair. I just hope that find it again. And this essence, and it's pre-stretched hair already, so you don't have to worry about the ends. You can always keep going. And I just love this color blue, like ombre with number, I think it's 1B with the dark blue, and it turns lighter. I just love how it's structured, and you get 3 bundles, y'all, and it was only like $3.49. I am using the Jamaican castor oil for the scalp. So you guys, I wanted to speed this video up. I was clearly talking too much, so I had to cut some out because I understand like people just don't want to hear you talking all the time. Just get to the point. So guys, I started off with the first method. I used the clear rubber bands. Guys, don't mind my voice. I'm still trying to get over this cold. Clear ones, they pop very. Some was even popping when I was doing like other sections. Some was already just popping off. So what I did just take 2 because they are very thin. They stretchy, but they're not as thorough like the black ones. But it's less tension on the hair. And also, I tried this other method, and believe it or not, it's probably much time consuming. Because you see in the next clip, I took like the braiding hair. I had black braiding hair left from my daughter's hair, and I braided just halfway with the braiding hair. I went halfway. I didn't go all the way down. Seems much better, even though I'm ready to like get my hair finished. But I don't want to just try that method with I just braid the whole freaking braid first, like braid them halfway and then go over with the other braid, and I believe it will last as long. So I will give you so guys, mostly at the top of my hair I did use the extra braided hair method because my hair is very fine, and I can honestly say that it did last long because normally these braids will slide out my head. So you guys, you got 2 different methods that you can try to not have so much breakage. So with the clear rubber bands and with the extra braiding hair. So, and you guys, I can honestly say I can tell the difference because as you may have seen, I did have like black rubber bands in the back, and then I used those 2 methods at the top, and I can tell the difference of less breakage on my hair. I'm not a pro at braiding, and yeah, and I just wanted a more protective hairstyle. And I hope you guys find this video helpful, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.